Hello, dear student. Today we are going to learn a very famous poem written by William Wordsworth. The name of the poem is Solitary Reaper. Basically, the poem was written during the early 19th century. The poem was about a girl who was sitting in a field and singing a song. The poem is about beauty of her song. Poet who was walking through the area, that highland area, he heard a voice of a girl. It was very sweet and melodious. So poet thought that there would be something or somebody who was singing a song. The poem Solitary Reaper is about the song of that girl. The poem is basically described in four different stanzas. First stanza is about the location of the girl. Second stanza is about poet's comparison of the voice of the girl with the two birds, nightingale and cuckoo, respectively. In the third stanza, poet deals with his unableness or his acceptance that he could not understand the words of the girl. And in the fourth stanza, poet speaks about his urgency to leave the place. First, we would start with the first stanza. The first stanza, as I said before, is about the location of the girl. Look at the picture. You can see there the whole poem is written in a single page. In the very first stanza, which is given there, behold her, single in the field, yon solitary highland lass, reaping and singing by herself, stop here or gently pass. Alone she cuts and binds the grain, and sings a melancholy strain. Oh, listen, for the, the tale profound is overflowing with the sound. In the very first stanza, poet says that and appeals to the reader that look at that girl and try to feel himself into the situation. That girl is alone in the highland area. She is doing reaping and singing at a time. She is reaping grain. She is cutting and bind the bundle of the grains. Basically, has the beauty of her song is really overflowing. It it overflows the whole valley and the area. Though the area is of mountain area, the sound of the girl is echoing everywhere. And that's why poet feels really enchanting into the situation. Poet also says that it is a melancholy song. Melancholy is because of it is like a crying about something. In the second stanza, poet compares the song of the beauty of the girl with the two famous birds. First is their nightingale, second is their cuckoo. I read the lines. The nightingale did ever chant no welcome notes to weary bands of traveller in some shady haunt among the Arabian sand. A voice so thrilling no or was heard, breaking the silence of the seas among the farthest breeds. Basically, nightingale is a bird gets in the Arabian area, or we can say desert area. Whenever any group of such weary travelers passes through the area, they find the musical sound of nightingale around there in a echoing way. They try they try to feel that sound, and they sit somewhere in the shade and enjoys it. The beauty of the sound, in fact, soothes their weariness and they feel refreshed at a moment. Similarly, cuckoo is a bird which can be found in the island areas. Basically, in the poem given their Hebrides, which is somewhere in the Scotland. So, when the springtime comes, cuckoo birds usually sing such a beautiful song, and whenever any voyager comes into the area, he feels that thrilling experience of her voice, and that's why that sound passes through the miles in his life. He tries to understand the words of the girl so that uh, he wanted to be somebody there who says or replies him about the girl, about the meaning of the song. When uh, we find there, he speaks, he tries to recollect the words of that particular uh, girl. Nobody was there to tell him. First, he thought that she might be thinking about the old days of the war in which many people died into the war, and that's why there was nobody remained there, and somebody who was very close to her would die into that battlefield. And war always brings a kind of melancholy in the life. Similarly, she feels there might be another connotation from the poet's side. He says that she might be singing a melancholy song due to the death of her nearest one. So, in the present situation, I think so. She is, or we can say, poet feels that her song is about some unpleasant message for her, or some unpleasant things which was happened with her, or there would be with her in the future time. So that's why that girl was singing that type of melancholy song. Stayed there for a long time, and that's why he could not get some more time to stay there anymore. So finally, he thought that this situation became very problematic for him. The beauty of the song of the girl was really uh, attractive for him, but on the other hand, the song of he had to accomplish so many tasks in his life. So he moved away from that place, but the scene which was experienced by him, the song which was really heard by him, that remained for a long time. That solitary reaper, that girls uh, binding and dripping that grain, the music of that girl, that will live forever in the heart of the poet. And that's why if he moves from that area, there would be many things he has been uh, carrying with him, and that experience will remain forever in his life. In this way, the given poem is about the beauty of the